guys, welcome back to my channel from the Funny Guys. So guys, in today's video, as you can see in the title, Olympics are coming up. So I decided that I might help you a bit in Olympic studying. So you all know like there are Olympic books provided to study for them. So other than that, also I have some tricks which can help you study for it and prepare for it. See, my IGQ exam is going to be in 13th or 14th November. So that's my first exam. I don't know what yours is, but mine is that. So I'm not going to be particular saying for that IGQ only. I'm going to be saying for all the ones. And guys, I am going to be posting 2 more videos of this. One is the schedule which you no, this one is the schedule. So this one is the schedule. One is like the ones which like the subjects which you hate. Like if you hate maths, I'll tell you how to read for maths. If you hate English for that, SST if you hate that for that, and general knowledge for that also. And science also. So for that I'll do. And the ones which your favorite subjects are, you I'll tell for that also, because then you can get into it and you don't focus on any other subject. For that also I'll post another video. So today we are going to be telling. I am going to be telling how to make a schedule of how what to do, when to do, and some tricks and tips. At the end of the video, I will be putting a 10-second page where all the tricks and tips are written. Okay. So the first thing which you need to do is do not do too many topics in a one day. Like for IGQ books which you are doing or studying, don't do 4 to 5 topics in a day, because then that will apply pressure on your mind and then you won't be able to remember anything. So that's a big flaw. You need to remember everything, then only you will be able to study, right? So for that you need, that is important. And guys, I am not actually wearing glasses because I wear glasses. This is I like blue rays protection glasses. Okay, moving on to the second point. Okay, so make a fixed timetable to study for it. एक फिक्स टाइम टेबल बनाया करो जिसमें आप पढ़ोगे. ऐसा नहीं कि कभी भी बुक उठा लिया कभी भी कर लिया, वैसा नहीं होता. को फिक्स टाइम टेबल बनाना है कि इस टाइम पे करना है, मतलब इस टाइम पे करना है. क्योंकि अगर आप टाइम टेबल नहीं बनाओगे तो आप कभी कभार भूल जाओगे, या आप पूरा दिन बाहर चले जाओगे. तो वैसा नहीं, आपको पता है जिस टाइम पे बाहर नहीं होगी फॉर श्योर, उस टाइम पे आप स्टडी करने का फिक्स टाइमिंग बनाओ. तो गाइज मेरा जो फिक्स टाइमिंग है दैट इज अबाउट इन द मॉर्निंग विच इज 11 o'clock. And if I can't do it on 11 o'clock, make a backup timing also if you can't do it in the morning. Okay, or sometime when you do, make a backup time also. So for me it's in the morning. If I can't do it in the morning, then I always do it in the evening when I wake up from sleeping around 6:30. I do that. So make a fixed timetable. Next is read some more about the chapters given in the Olympiad books. Don't only study from the Olympiad books, स्टडी ऑफ इट मोर ऑल्सो. जैसे कि मतलब ओलंपिक बुक्स में फॉर एग्जांपल लेट्स टेक आईजीक्यू में एक चैप्टर है स्पोर्ट्स का. तो जो क्वेश्चंस है वो बस मत करो, और भी जाओ और भी थोड़ा स्पोर्ट्स में रिसर्च करो जितना आप कर सकते हो, जितना आप याद रख सकते हो. डोंट गो ओवर दैट मच यू कांट रिमेंबर. अगर आप ऐसा करोगे तो आप कुछ याद नहीं रख पाओगे. सो प्लीज डोंट डू दैट. ओके, जस्ट डू हाउ मच यू कैन डू. ठीक है. So that is point number I don't know 3 I guess so. So next is read and learn thoroughly in class and books, from class and books. So not only, as I told in the before point, don't only study from the Olympic books. Class में भी जैसे जनरल नॉलेज की क्लास में तो होगी, बट इंग्लिश मैथ साइंस की होगी ना, तो उसमें पे करो अटेंशन. क्योंकि इंग्लिश में जैसे वर्ब्स टेंसेस वो सब आते हैं, वो स्कूल में पढ़ाया जाता है. तो उसमें भी इफ यू फोकस देयर, then there in the Olympic books there is no understanding. There is a prep guide, but for understanding it nicely and mentally from the teachers, you can learn from them. And also pay attention to your books provided by the school. Okay, so if you pay attention there, then from that also you will be able to study and remember nicely. So do pay attention in class. Not only I'll just study from the Olympic books and all that. No. Pay attention in class and pay attention to the books which you are writing in. Remember the points which are given there. Okay, so don't apply pressure on yourself कि तब तक खत्म करना है, मतलब खत्म करना है, ये नहीं हो रहा, वो नहीं हो रहा, don't do all of that. Don't apply pressure. Okay, don't apply pressure on yourself. Be calm. All right, be calm. Don't apply pressure. Be calm. From calm minded to it. All right, and don't become lazy and don't do it. Okay, I'm not telling you guys it is few people that don't do. So be like that. Be calm minded and do your work. Okay, at the fixed timing, go take your copy. This is not my Olympiad book. You take it. Take up your pen or pencil slowly. Make your mind focused on the answers and thoroughly go through it and do. Now, also review each and every question which you are doing. Review each and every question which you are doing. Okay, like not only that, okay, for example there are 10 questions and you finish all 10 questions like हाँ तो it हो जाएगा, बहुत अच्छा है, मेरे सारे correct answer. No, do not do that. Even though you know 100% that it is all correct. Okay, it is all correct. No, do not. Still review all those 10 questions at least once. Okay, review each question at least once, especially the ones which you have doubts in. Okay, and guys, one more point also, that the questions which you have doubt, I'm telling this different for during the exam and not during the exam when you're preparing from the book. So from the book, when you're doing, if you have doubt in that question, leave it. Do not attempt it. Leave it. When you finished all the questions, go there, see what all doubts you have, note that down, go to your book of this school, and then see if anything is written about that there. If it's nothing there, then go to your mother or parents, or you have Google, search there, see what the answer is, understand it, memorize it, then do that question so that your doubt will be cleared. Okay, like Google, just see and don't do it. Take explanation from your parents, or from your teachers also. Okay, do that, take explanation. And during the exam, guys, leave that question. After you're done all questions, go back to that question. As I said, see the points which you are not trying able to understand. Okay, then focus on those questions. Maximum take 5 minutes on those questions. If you're still not able to understand, then what most you think is can be the answer, click that. Okay, click that, and then review that question again. If you make it understand, it's fine. If you don't, it's fine. Then go again and review each question during the exam if this is happening. Don't take more than 5 minutes, because then the time is going to be wasted and you're not going to be able to go to the other questions. So please do that. Do not waste much time on one particular question. Okay, guys, now coming to the schedule which you need to make. Okay, so let's say in one book there are 11 chapters, and you have 2 weeks are left to your exam, and there are 11 chapters, so 14 days and 11 chapters. So because you have so much time, what you can do is you can do one chapter each day. One chapter each day, and study for half an hour, 1 hour. Study that chapter thoroughly, remember all the points. If you can, take a self quiz also with your parents, and then after that check your answers. So you can do that every day, one chapter, because in 3 days will be left. 3 days you can go through those chapter again, or you can enjoy your 3 days. And for example, if you have 11 chapters, okay, and there are only let's say 1 week, so 11 chapters and 7 days. So what you can do each day, let me take the calculations. Okay, got it. So guys, what you can do is every day do um uh, 2 chapters. Okay, every day do 2 chapters. First day 2, then the other day you'll be done with 4, other day you'll be done with 6 and 8, then 10, and then there will be for the other day which will be left. The 6th day, what you can do is not on the 6th day also, in the on the 5th day, what you can do with the 10th chapter when you're done, you can also do the 11th one if you want to, or if you think it's too much for you, then do it on the 6th day. You can do that. And only 5 days are left, and you have 11 chapters to do. Then let's say 5 days, 11 chapters. You can do the trick, like, yeah, every day do 3 chapters. 3, 6, 3, 6, 9. Okay, guys, I was just whacking one. Okay, guys, sorry for that. So where was I? Yeah, so you can do 3, 6, 9, and then the other day, because there are 3 more chapters, it makes it 12. You can do 11, 2 chapters only. That also can go. And guys, if you have no choice, if you have 3 or 2 days left, then only go more than 3 chapters, or 4 or 5 chapters. Then only do it. Or else don't do it in a hurry. There's no rush. You have more time. Take that much time. Read, learn thoroughly, and do it. Now coming to the schedule, guys. Um, uh, for me, I'll tell you my schedule. My schedule is whenever I wake up. I have a weekday school, but right now, what is, I'm having my Durga Puja holidays right now. So in those holidays, when I wake up at around 9:30, 10. After that, I'm ready by 11. So at 11 o'clock, I take my laptop and I take my book and I study. I thoroughly study chapters. Then after that, I do is I search the doubts which I have on Google. If I don't have any doubts, then I just review each and every question, memorize as much as I can, then keep the book aside and enjoy my rest of my time. Okay, so you can do like that also, like I do in the morning, or in the backup time. If I forget to do in the morning, I do it in the evening. My mother reminds me. So you can do like that also. You can tell any parent to do it. So make a schedule timing like that, study thoroughly like that, then you will be able to pass your exam. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. I hope you like this. I hope you like this video. If you did, please give this video a like, smash that like button, and smash the subscribe button also. Make it from red to gray. Press bell notifications. Click all so you can get notified whenever I post a new video, guys. And this is a new YouTube channel, guys. I don't have a fixed timing, so that is why you need to do all, so that you can get notified whenever I post a new video. So yeah, guys, that's it for this video. The further videos are going to be about your favorite and least favorite subject, Olympiads. So yeah, guys, I love you guys. Bye, guys. Love you. And guys, in the next video I have an announcement to make. Not that big, but yeah, I'm going to give you all a new name. So yeah, guys, bye. I love you all.